What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Alex's trading sessions. Hope everyone had a nice New Year's. I know I got hammered. I think I actually had alcohol poisoning, but that's neither here nor there. Now we're back at the markets. We're going to check out some trades. We had a couple losses today already. Nothing silly, but it is what it is. 1218, and we'll get to those in a bit. 1218. So we go. We get a nice down move here. We're high on the curve. See what the euro has for us today. Get some good trades here. All right, so we got this. We got that. Well, it actually looks like we have this too, but it's already been used up. Let's see, we got that. And probably that too. This is going to be a no-go right here already because, well, actually maybe not. Let's see. This is actually probably all no-go. So if we, so this one, get up to 10 points there. And we only got 13, so that's 1-to-1. This is going to be 1-to-1, and that is also 1-to-1. So what I'm going to do is just put these in the purple lines for our 4 fun setups here, just to see if they would work. Oops. I mean, I technically did move like 4-to-1 away on your 3-point zone, but in order to have proper risk, I can't take it. If you want to take a good 1-to-1 on a stab at that, feel free. I'm going to skip it. Pound. We did have a win on the pound already. I did end up moving my first profit target to just below this. That's just because you got this little breakout on the hourly, and then you got this area, this zone right here. It did hit. And then I moved my second profit target to there on this first trade. So this is a separate one up here. This one is for this bottom entry. So we're still in it. We are down $6 on the second part of the position. But we did take a solid, like, I think it was like a 1.5-to-1 now, maybe a 2-to-1. So 23 to 4. Yeah, so 2-to-1. On the first big thing of the first move here on the first target. So we got that one in the books. Start drawing in some boxes. Boxes. And then on the pound, let's see. Yeah, see, there's nothing here. You just got these two little, like if you go on a lower time frame, even say you have like a refining time frame or a 4th time frame, I'm sure you could find something in there too on like the 15 or the 30 or something, but I try to not do that. So that's what we're looking at on the pound. We did have a win and, you know, a couple losses too. So here we go. We're high on the curve, just looking for another breakout on the Aussie. The downside, looks like we got one here in the New Zealand. Still a little foggy from the other day. I just had a job interview over at this place called Suburban Electric. I'm going to give my hand at being an electrician. Hopefully I can get the job. They said they're going to call me by like Tuesday and let me know. So it's pretty exciting. Here we go. We got that. And then this up here. There we go. All right. There we go. Look at that. We got a nice New Zealand dollar set up. And it's more than 4 points, which is nice. Put that like right there. Over 28, just over 1-to-2. There we go. All right, we're gonna sell. Oh, 6741. I always do that. So it'll be 76 and 84. Alright, there we go. And like I said too, I based my so if you look over here on this first one, the way I kind of look at it is this first zone, the closer one, this is the profit target. That's the first profit target for this zone. And that's what I base that on, this top zone too. So if I got like a closer one and it has the profit margin, then I'll take the top one and use the same profit target as the first. Because it's like price did go down there, and it's like it has a pretty good chance of going down there again. So that's my logic behind that. That's why this top trade is still good, even though right here you have the close above right there. So for people who are in call out mode, that's what we do it that way. That's why I do it that way. So this will be 63 and 75. And there we go. I'm going to take the picture and get it in the log right away. And I'm not taking this one because the breakout goes right through it, and that's just one of my personal rules. If you're comfortable with taking it like at or above, or at or proximal, I guess you could say, because if it was long, it would be the other way. Feel free to take that, but that's just not my style. I like to have them well above. That means even like a wick. Like this wicks, like if it's just coming across the wicks, that still for me doesn't count. It's still probably a decent zone, but I'm going to take this one. Oops. Anyways, let's get this picture. That over there. December's trade log up. So pound, open one. What? Where's he going to get this on quick? Oh yeah, okay, it was just counter trend the entry there. That's all. Okay. Second, I gotta get this. Okay. 6, 7. Well, that's not right at all. There we go. 0.6729, 0.6701, 0.67, 0.6673. Pending. Range breakout short. Oops, short. Short. Today's Thursday, so we got another day of trading yet. Tomorrow, I probably won't post anything because it's Friday. It's like, well, our trades are really going to hit that I set up? Probably not. $2.99, $2.99. We have no closes. What was it? $2.992. It's higher than $2.991. Okay. Here we go. We got our first up move here. And it's this candle right here closed above the high of that candle. That's how we get that. Looks like we punch through it on there. And then what I do, if I see this punch through like the higher time frame areas, I'll take care of this first, so then I can, you know, have a reference point for setting up these trades here. All right. So it's low on the curve, so I'm not shorting it. Same with this one, it already came low on the curve, so you guys know the rules, not taking a short. Could something up in here work? Of course it could. But I'm not taking it because that's my rules. Go to pound yen here. Pound yen just got stopped out. This is one of the losses that I took. No big deal. It's coming into this though. Maybe this is the one I was talking about that worked. Yeah, I took that and it worked. So not too bad on this. That's okay though. Not a big deal. Get the picture. There we go. I can put it in my trade log. But you know what might even happen? Is it now it might go back up. That's just the name. Like I keep saying, the name of the game. I need a nap. Price just traded through our stuff. Nothing we can do but wait. There we go. Nothing for us to take here because it's low on the curve and a downtrend. So just gotta wait. Gotta wait for it to push back up. Okay, again. So it's closed above the low of that. So we just get this. So nothing there yet. AUDCAD, I lost this today. Look at that, just plummeted through everything. But that's okay. Let's make a new one. And there we go. Now we're just going to wait for it to come lower and then take the trade. Take a trade again when the time comes. Okay, I did run both of those off. Alright. See, it came. Okay, let me just go to the trading time. See, it came down, reacted, puttered through, and then just fell off. And that's okay. Sometimes you have that, as we've seen. All right, here we go. Trade. Oh, you know what? We should have actually canceled this. Because looking at it, it came high on the curve, so we shouldn't have even been trying to buy that. So that was a mistake. And the rules. So we got to pay attention. So yeah, see, it came high on the curve and then traded away. So we shouldn't have had that set up actually. Oh well. I'm gonna delete all these lines now though. Oh shit. Whatever. Here we go. Okay, so I have to go to this, delete, and pull this all the way down there. That's what we want. There we go. Oh, I can go to Aussie, the Euro Aussie. You get a nice push up. Stick it in. So you got to push down and push up. Now we just gotta wait for the breakout and the close above here, and we can start looking to go long on the Euro Aussie. Euro New Zealand. We'll just draw it down to there. I can't. That's annoying. See what happens? You get these lines. So you got probably something that worked pretty nicely in there that I missed. Yeah, right here, this one. So I probably would have taken this one because this one's like that line's cutting through there. But this right here, that would have been a good zone to take. Probably this one. Probably would have been like a level on level right there though. But it is a little short on the profit margin for me, so I might not even taking it. Where's the AUDCAD? Or Euro Pound, next one here. Ooh, the Euro Pound, hopefully that comes up and hits that area. Be sick. Sick trades, bro. Yeah, hopefully can just sneak all the way up there and then come crashing down. Just hit our target in like 5 minutes and we can be out of the trade. Those are my favorite ones. The ones that you don't get to see happen. You don't get to stress out and freak out that like, oh my god, what's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Should I get out early? Like, obviously, no, you don't get out early. But so still just waiting for a turn here. Really messy. There we go. Now we got a breakdown in price. Breakout area right there. We've got this, we've got this, and we've got this. 20. That's where I want my stop anyways. Well, I actually want it up here. But since this is the leg, it's a leg out candle, and then base, 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 on above leg in candle, or the leg in candle, excuse me. So I think we've got 3 opportunities here. There, there, and there. Oh, perfect. So 117 and 13. So 98 and 10-4. some of these zones are pretty sloppy, but like they're still zones. So, you know, my motto is if it's a zone, take the zone. It meets the rules. Doesn't look nice, but you know, who cares? It's the rules. You gotta have rules, and then you gotta follow them. Actually, let me see here on this one. I had to measure it. 80 points. Right at that 50% area. Breakout range short. Yeah, alright, AUDCAD. Yeah, we lost a pound CAD trade too. Not a big deal. It happens. Still a good setup. Yeah, seeing it didn't quite finish, so this should have been the profit target, and I would have definitely kept us out of this trade. So I also wasn't looking at the markets yesterday, so you know, I didn't see this. I couldn't change it, so there we go. That's basically the story on that. Basically, a rule is pay attention, be consistent. any rules, because this would have kept us out of a loss too. No big deal. We still took the trade, and that's the rest is history. Seeing stuff like that, though, makes me feel a little bit better, because I know like my plan would have kept me out of these bad trades. So even though I did lose them, I can re-look back at them and be like, okay, yeah, you're right, I shouldn't have been in that one. I think we were saying we weren't going to take this because we're already in some pound trade, so we're still going to leave this one alone. All right, and that's it for the day. That's what I'm going to leave you guys with. Here, I'll throw this up there. So these are the new trades, just the New Zealand dollar and Aussie CAD. Those are the new trades. So if you want to pause this, copy my trades, feel free to do that. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Hopefully this is helping a lot of you guys. Like some of these losses, like the pound CAD should have been avoided. I don't think the pound yen would have been avoided, but that's okay. And these two we already had, so we would have saved ourselves some money here on the pound CAD. But, you know, that's the name of the game. So we do have a couple trades coming in. Bring this up. Oh yeah, over here. So I got like 16 orders or 8 more trades. We're within 15 points of my next pound trade. 20 points of the euro pound. Maybe we can get these two as winners. And yeah. So there we go. Looks like the second part of the pound got stopped out. So we're going to keep this, still keep that lower level open because it is still good. Looks like it barely stopped us out too. So we'll see what happens with the pound and the euro pound. Let me bring that up quick. There we go. So we got this trade right here. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get in them. Hopefully they win. But yeah, you guys have a great day, and we'll see you later.